How to use Finviz for swing trading. Want to find strong stock setups for swing trading? Finviz makes it easy to screen for trends, breakouts, and momentum, all in just a few clicks. Start by going to finviz.com and clicking the Screener tab. This is where you'll set your filters to match your swing trading strategy. Under the Descriptive tab, set market cap to mid or large and average volume to over 500K. This helps you focus on stable, liquid stocks. Next, head to the Fundamental tab. Choose EPS growth next 5 years as over 10% to target companies with solid long-term potential. Then go to the Technical tab. Set 50-day simple moving average to price above SMA 50 and pattern to channel up or trendline support. This narrows down stocks in an uptrend with a strong swing setup. Finally, scan the charts to spot ideal entry points. Look for pullbacks, breakouts, or consolidations. With just a few smart filters, Finviz can become your go-to swing trading companion. Thanks for watching.